Macomia. Let's discuss the cycle of a mosquito.
Insects play an important roles in the ecosystem. They are food for organisms. They help in decomposition of dead organism. They also help in dispersion of seeds and in the process of pollination. I love insects, but there is an insect that I will call 911 if I came into contact with. That's the almighty mosquito. And they also spread diseases such as malaria, Zika virus and dengue fever. To control mosquitoes outbreak, it's necessary to know about how they evolve, their life cycle. So let's dive in. In order to reproduce, make offsprings, since reproduction is important in the life cycle, mosquitoes need a suitable place for their eggs to stay and survive. They mostly lay eggs in stagnant water, meaning water which is not flowing like in ponds. The eggs are grouped together forming an egg raft. The eggs hatch up in 48 hours and the female can lay up to 300 eggs at a time. A mosquito larva hatches out from each egg. They have elongated bodies that have on the water's surface. They get their oxygen by taking in air through a snorkel-like tube called a siphon. They get feed all the time. In fact, feeding is their function. They do so to store energy for the pupal stage where they only rest. The larva stage can be called the feeding stage since they mostly feed only. They feed on microorganisms and dead plant matter. To escape danger, the larva often dives deeper in standing water in which they live. The whole larva stages last for 10 days. The mosquito enters the non-feeding stage, the pupal stage. Pupa still needs oxygen, so they take it from the surface of the water. Pupa are so sensitive that they respond by rolling under the water. They are called tumblers, and this lasts for 2 to 3 days. After that, an adult mosquito emerges. They mate and the life cycle continues. Male adult feeds from the nectar of the plants, whilst female adults mosquitoes feed on blood from animals and humans. This blood helps them to produce eggs, and the eggs will turn into larvae, pupa and adult, and the life cycle continues. All mosquitoes undergo the 4 stages of their life cycle. Mostly the larva and pupal stage are aquatic. Not all mosquitoes spread diseases, but some of them do. Examples are the Anopheles mosquito, which is known for spreading malaria.